Are you tired of ordering shirts that look super cute online, but when they come in the mail, they turn out to be big, long, and frumpy? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn that frumpy shirt into something cute. Come on, let's go do this. So first off, we'll start with a plastic hair tie. I like to use the disposable ones. I put about 2 or 3 of them together just to make sure that the tie is strong enough. Next, we'll take the plastic hair tie and tie it onto the shirt on the side. Just like you want the bottom of the shirt to look shorter, you want the sleeves to look shorter as well. So now we're going to go ahead and roll up those sleeves. And voila, you just made that shirt look a whole lot cuter. Now if the side tie isn't your style, you can always change it up and just position it front and center. Tuck the excess fabric underneath and create a very slimming ruching. Whether you like the side gathering or the front gathering, this hack just took this shirt to a whole nother level. Now if that look wasn't cute enough, you can always take it up a notch and cut a slit into the center of the neckline. You'll then open it up, cut off the excess fabric, creating a V-shaped neckline. And there you have it, guys. That's how you turn a big frumpy t-shirt into something cute. If you like what you see here, please be sure to like, subscribe, and maybe even comment. Thanks for watching and see you at the next video. Bye-bye.